right here. Okay. So as I said before, this was the most valid POI possible for me. And if there's anything above here, if this imbalance, right? And then again, you have to seek for imbalance. That's all it is. This what the algorithm is really targeting, you know. So yeah, can we take sell here if the target is low, or even this low if you're scared? But you see again, if you look from that in a rational way, any of those, no, none of those would hold, right? Or it wouldn't make sense for it to hold. There's no valid POI right here. Just this guy in the middle of nowhere, just this random wick in the middle of nowhere as well, which was even a manipulation, right? So it can be liquidity as well. And I mean, this guy is also in the middle of nowhere, and this would be even a lit point or a lit point on higher time frame, right? So yeah. All right. Let's. Oh, okay. So where can you take trades from? You still have this little inefficiency right here, and also this was on 1 minute. Okay, there is something even on seconds, but on one minute this would be your last buy to sell, and this would be my lit point. So anything above this is fine for me to take a trade from, and yeah, or we can just even put a sell limit right there. Yeah, let's put a sell limit right there. Stop loss. I mean, this seems fine for me. As this is the last order flow cutoff, right? But you can play it safe, you can put it right here. And even if you put it on the high here, it would be like 1 to 3, 1 to 4, yeah, 1 to 4. So, and this 1 to 10. Normally, I don't trade with 1 pip stop losses, like actively. So you guys don't get delusional. Okay, it's not a good way to keep yourself consistent. I mean, having a 5 pip stop loss, there's nothing wrong with that. You have to focus on win rate instead of RR, because you want to keep your psychology as best as possible. But yeah, okay. See, okay. We are just mitigating a lit point, we broke structure. So there's is still a chance for this to come back, right? For price to come back. Oh, okay. And we keep mitigating it. Keep respecting it. Okay. Seems weird. Oh, okay. Yes, it's like price wants to go up. You're building a price below, right? And yeah, so, oh, okay. And we tap into it, we tap. And yeah, the only reason why price came back was the imbalance, okay? No other reason. So if there was no imbalance, I wouldn't even look at this for place to sell as a place to sell from. But yeah, and we just, oh no, we didn't. Okay, no missed trades yet. Yeah, and yeah, I see this low has no reason to hold. Okay, it's just inducing people to buy from it. But yeah, fake choke, right? Inducing. So for sniper FX, this would be a smart money trap, right? But this it's not that important. Okay. Or okay, let's try sniper FX concepts. This would be an FOP, right? I used to do this in my early days. I'm trying to implement some bonus for you to learn from, right? So if the POI is above FOP, it's not valid anymore, and it just serves as a liquidity trap. So yeah. Also, this was Frankfurt low, which could be taken out as well. Yeah, so we'll see. So any POI below this, which makes this trade invalid, is a smart money trap. Even this guy would be a smart money trap if you look at this from the Frankfurt Open theorem. Okay, but yeah. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay. Okay, this was faster than I thought. Okay, so we hit break even on those buys with partials, of course. Like it's like what, 6 hour and full TP on sells. And now you'll see it might respect this. You don't want to take trades like randomly, like random POIs like this. You want a confirmation, of course. But yeah. So let's see. Price failed to break this guy and then proceeds to break it, right? So this would be a valid POI, and this, yeah, it's this all the same. The daily bias is bullish, right? So I hope I don't hit the stop loss right here. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. Nice. So, and as you can see, like this is the simplest day to trade, honestly. Asia just keeps going to your POI slowly, and then right before Frankfurt price manipulates into the POI, gives you the right direction right away. So there's nothing ahead. And even, I mean, if this was the live market, I would probably hit an SL on this, because I rarely do break evens. Only recently I started doing that because I'm not at charts as much as I am. But yeah. So if you miss this trade, I would take a buy from here as well, right? Oh, buy from here below the split point, and sellers would be here. If you miss, oh, okay, we missed it. Props. Okay, seems like order flow. Well, okay. Is there any place to take trades from or sell? No. This has no reason to hold now. We just came here to fill the imbalance, nothing more, okay? And this is not even order flow. And this liquidity, so you look at your next target, you can go to 5 minute and look for a lit point to take a sell from, either sell from or a possible retracement from which you wanna continue, take a continuous trade. So what's that? Wait, what is this? Okay, oh, this, okay, London. So it's still estimate. Let's delete all of this. Delete all of this as well. Okay. You wanna keep your chart clean. Yeah, so we're targeting this POI. This inefficient. Oh, there is no inefficient. Oh, okay, this was on higher time frame. My bad, my bad. I was just looking at 5 minute reversal point. This is pretty possible. I mean, yeah, okay. Okay, but nothing clear here yet. Just this week. But nothing. I don't really like looking for it before it happens. Yeah. Oh, and well, okay. Okay, it's a coincidence. Okay. Okay, so we broke above it. And uh there's not much you can do here. Wait, is this 1 minute? Yeah. There's not much you can do here right now. This could be swept as well. Right, this is a Wix thing right below, right above the inefficiency. I see calls IOFAD. It's about it's lit pretty much. Yeah, so if it breaks below this, we can take a trade from 50% or something. But I don't think that's likely. Yeah, we just continue building up. All right. So So this is a clear sign of price wanting to go up again, but yeah, there's no place for possible buy here. Okay, so I mean, I would wait for London Open or New York Open, honestly. Okay, let's play it slowly. Oh, okay, that's still respecting. So, I mean, all of those trades are possible to get in, right? But I just want to keep it to take the highest probable trades for you. So let's see. Yeah, there's something on the left, but yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is the imbalance, right? On the higher time frame. And see. Oh, you even have imbalance on 1M right here. Okay. Okay, let's go to 5 minutes. Yeah, balance on 1M. Huh. Balance, see, and you even have the split point. Okay. So this is the nearest point I see for a reversal. This is just a build-up. Also this imbalance, but yeah, it's just gonna have a small reaction of it. You need a clear POI to take a trade from. So yeah, let's continue. Nothing crazy. Yeah, first step into the order, late point, possible buys, but yeah, let's do this. Let's take a buy here. This is a risky trade, you know, but stop loss is pretty big as well. 4.5 pip stop loss. The pricing is not the best. But if you take this whole range as your future pricing, then yeah. 30%, okay. Still good. But this is the perfect pricing you want to get for swing trades. This is just intraday or intra-session trade. So I don't really like this. Uh, okay, and we missed another trade. Oh, damn. Okay. Prices keeps going up. Oh, this is so weird, man. This is so weird. After 2 days we just had, 2 consolidation days. Yeah, we just cleared in the imbalance and have a reaction right away from it. Yeah, okay, nothing crazy. If it just kept going down from that point, I would take a trade here and target this lit point to take a buy here. But didn't happen. So now we wait for the 5 minute lit. Yeah, okay, we just sweep it. And let's see if it gives us a perfect reaction. We have imbalance. Okay, we see the imbalance. Okay. So not the best trade, not the best place to take a sell from, like near 50%, but yeah, let's see. No news, nothing. All right. And this is like still late London, okay? New York starts here, just in case we got lost in the timing. Yeah, okay. So, okay. Let's take a trade here. It still has imbalance above though. So I would wait for a fill of this imbalance or anything above here for a sell. Let's put a sell limit right there, right? And oh, sell limit right there. And a stop loss here, 8 pip stop loss, continuing down here. Does it make sense? Yeah, it's like 1 to 3. You're gonna find it 1 to 4 to 80% of the imbalance. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Get topped in. Price continuing down. Okay. Does it respect this? No. Okay. Okay. Then then that's first stop loss. But yeah, yeah. I mean, this was a sell on bad pricing. Should have closed it earlier. So let's see. Oh yeah, and we still have this huge imbalance on higher time frame, and it's also this on lower time frame. Tells a lot. Says a lot. All right, so let's do this. Or we can wait for New York Open to see what's gonna happen. Yeah, let's do New York Open. Starting right here. This is the fake New York Open, okay? It's the 8 a.m. and this is 8:30. That they're usually this should be yeah, wait. Yeah, see, this should be a manipulation in the first 30 minutes, and then after 30 minutes, it usually shows the real intention of session of New York session. So let's yeah, exactly. So all right, this on 3 minutes would be a transfer, right? Before, oh no, not from this. A transfer, right? Right before breaking this area. But I don't think we should buy. Okay, let's buy. Let's buy. Let's go. It's not the best pricing for neither buy or buys or sells, but if you missed all of this, then you just have to enter somewhere, right? So this would be 4 pip stop loss, and target would be this imbalance seems like pretty good. Yeah, so okay, so this would be my first target, right? This lit for partials, and then we can hold it even here or even higher overall, but yeah, this seems like a good target itself. For this higher time frame imbalance, I think it was on 5 minute, 15. Yeah, this was on 15 minutes. Yeah, so that's the reason why. Oh, okay, so you take it by here. Gee. Oh, oh. Okay, that's a stop loss. That's not a stop loss. Then it will go lower. Oh, right. Yeah. What the hell? Okay, my stop loss was exactly on 50% of the range. And now you see how powerful that is as a tool. But yeah, so okay. Okay. Well, we just said stop loss, whatever. Okay. Well, that's the reason why I tell you guys to not chase small stop losses. Because it can really mess up your trading badly. And it's the case, right? Instead of few hours, you would have -1 hour hoping for big returns. So yeah, I mean, yeah, exactly. I see it happening. So this would be your New York manipulation, right? Uh, yeah, the price just keeps going up. Okay. 8:30, New York open. Okay, did we reach the imbalance yet? Nope, not yet. Oh, so so this was the imbalance on 15 minutes that we are trying to fill. But yeah, you see, perfect. Oh, oh, how could this happen? Yeah, this was, yeah. This should have been RPOI. I didn't find it. I just used the 3 minutes. Well, happens. Okay, you tap into the imbalance. All right, and 15 minute. You got two. Hello, Tony. Okay, you got two losses. Or three. But that's fine. Oh yeah, and we fill the imbalance. No. And you see the imbalance, right? And you can refine it to 1 minute right here. This would be your lit point. Nothing crazy. You just know your areas, that price that the algorithm is targeting. So, oh, okay. I mean, okay. So we just missed ourselves. There was this little lit point here. No, I think the price broke this and came right here. So this would be your lit point to take trades from. So either this, or if you don't want to wait for the extreme, this is like this is like 2.7 pip stop loss. But low probable that price would even come back here. This could have been your imbalance and wait for trade somewhere here. You also have the split point made right after it broke the range. So no, right before it broke the range. Okay, this could be a value PY or a small for the mitigation break and then becoming lit. Yeah, okay. You see it happening. And now it becomes liquidity. Oh, not yet. Okay. But now this point is lit point for me. But there's no POI above to take trades from. Hmm. All right. So now this was the New York manipulation, right? And they can be used as liquidity as well. But yeah, there's no reason. Okay, this has a reason to hold actually as a POI. So we'll see. We'll see from the reaction. All right, and for this, I would just wait for a sweep of this to enter for sells. But it never happened. Oh, it did happen. Okay. So yeah, okay, but the pricing is pretty bad. Yeah, I mean, this is too risky. I wouldn't take this honestly. Yeah, okay. That's a stop loss for you guys. Stop loss for the content. See, right, the reaction right of the lid. But we still have imbalance above to fill, so not yet. Still now filling the imbalance, alright. Respecting the bullish order flow. So what's the next liquidity that it could target? Either the high that it just made or the only liquidity point that I see myself here, the list point. All right, so you can do either. You can, yeah. Okay, I just hope it doesn't reverse of this buy to sell. Okay, it wants to reverse. It tapped into our lead point though. So, oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, perfect. So now, if price respects this, right, it starts going down, we take a sell. Anywhere. Yeah, so sell here. Oh no. I wanted to say here, but yeah, stop loss can be here. 7 pip stop loss. Doesn't matter. All right, you can target this buildup. That's the first thing. This, as it could be a danger area for you for a possible reversal, right? Because this is overflow from the left, right? See from breaker transfer here. You're making this a valid area. And that's pretty all I see. So I'll just target this for R. If there is another possible re-entry, I'll take it. But yeah. Oh, okay. Oh, and even this. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah, see, slowly mitigating. Yeah, you can take an entry off here, another entry off here, and stop loss here. This would be safe for, I think it would be safe. Big trades. Oh no, it wouldn't. Okay. Did it sweep? Oh yeah, okay. Oh. Okay, nothing crazy. And then we continue down. To this POI could be a possible reversal point. POI, okay. Yeah, and hit TP or partial, then target the lows or something. Completely fine. Okay, this top. Oh, this post New York as well or already. So I'm just trying to find some kind of imbalance for price to fill, but yeah, this seems okay, but it's too small. And then we have this guy right here. So we have this right here, and this right. Price could come back, these 2 points. Then you have this right here on 5 minutes. And remember, the higher you go, like the higher time frame you are on, the bigger reaction it will be. Works on all the same. So so we just fill this imbalance, right, and reacting right off it. So again, the algorithm the only thing the algorithm is targeting is either liquidity or imbalance. There's nothing more to it. And let's see if we'll have a reaction, like a strong reaction of this. We'll start taking buys. But even though the pricing is really bad, I wouldn't even target these highs because I know that this is a build-up, right? But this build-up on higher time frame actually, like 5 minute, 4 minute, even 15 minute. Yeah. So it's most probably gonna target something below first and then go for the highs. But we'll see. Oh, oh. Okay, I'm glad I just played it fast because this would be... No, there's no place to entry here. So there's sweeping the low again. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have imbalance left below. But we also have entry model right here. So, but I'll rather wait for the imbalance to be sort of filled. If not completely, then at least a bit. And there's also imbalance right here on the highs. So yeah, still a good reason to go here. All right, so he just broke this. This could be a lit point to take trade from. Yeah, okay. Let's just buy here. All right, stop loss. I usually put stop loss at imbalance, but play it safe. Do it here. And you can target either the imbalance or liquidity, but there's no liquidity right here. Except for this. So let's see this. Okay. Okay. No possible re-entry for me unless it starts sweeping this. That is too... Oh yeah. So this would be my second buy, right? Right here. The stop loss could be, for example, here. On these wicks, right? Wicks are sells to buy. Sell to buys as well. Okay, let's just pray. and target the same thing. Yeah. Okay, let's play it out. And this is late New York already. Again, I forgot to mention this. This is like what time is it for New York? Yeah, so at 11 a.m. New York, you have London close, right? And what does it mean? You can have a possible reversal. Oh, you messaged something. Oh yeah. Yeah, so at 11 a.m. There's a possibility for a reversal, London close reversal. You can test it on your chart. You can look back when like it happens on some days, but not every day, right? And this is what people mean by timing price. Yeah, I showed you today pretty perfectly, but I'll get to that later. Let's play this out. It's pretty late, so of course the price is pretty slow. But as price is lower, you can get more entries. This is a lit point as well, right? Nothing crazy. Nothing I haven't shown you. Yeah, okay. And we just tap into our TP. So this would be the whole trading. Oh, Among Us. So this would be the whole trading day. And I showed you how to use timing. I mean, this is not the mastery of timing yet. Uh, I'm just showing the simple way to use it. Like, for example, fake New York open, you have a manipulation. One thing, you have Frankfurt open, you have a manipulation as well, the first candle, right? London, again, London is full of manipulations. This whole thingy was a manipulation. And if you took a buy here, I can show you a cool trick that my mentor created. This is called a projection. You just take the top of the manipulation to the down and then stack it up, and then you can use it as your possible TP. And this is how I personally use my TP, do my TPs. So if I took buy here, the TP would be here, either here or above here. And sometimes it just snipes the top perfectly. Not this time though. So yeah, you had this, then also for timing, there is wait, what time is it? Yeah, so there's 4:30 for New York time. It's a magic minute. This is something Raim from liquidity inducement theorem teaches. Basically, if you have a POI and price nearing the POI and it's during the magic minute, right? This usually becomes a trap. That's why it's called a trap timing, and the price will just blast through and mitigate something below it. So this is exactly what happened. I also showed you a sneak peek to sniper trading concept, right? FOP, this would be smart money trap, perfectly lining up with the magic minute trap timing, right? Into here. And sometimes at 5 a.m. there's a possible reversal as well, but not today. I mean, you can test this all out, all these theories I'm showing you. I didn't even cover these topics yet on Discord, but yeah. And then this is another at 6:30, but there's nothing crazy happened. Same as trap timing though. And yeah, New York, fake New York manipulation, whatever. And if you want to try 90-minute cycle and 12 and 18-minute intervals, I can show it to you as well. But of course, I'm just showing you like 50%, okay? Because I'm paying respect to the people who created it, and I don't wanna disrespect their work. So I'll put it at 8 a.m. to 8:30. And usually those people enter on these 18-minute intervals, not in 12, because in 12-minute intervals it's usually a manipulation, right? So for example, if you had a POI, this someone like goat trading asked me, Mayank asked me about 90 minutes, so here you go. And then you have 90-minute macros, like you can test 90 minutes from the New York opening. No, not New York opening. From midnight New York time, there's something happening every time on 90 minutes, or there might be something on every time on 90 minutes. But basically what this is or what is 12 and 18 intervals are CLS timing as well, is that if you have POI, for example, and price, and then you have 12, 18, 12, 18 possible intervals, and price taps into it on the 12th interval, you don't take a trade, and it's just a refinement. And usually it goes and then it takes it out, right? And you're in the 18-minute time frame in a minute interval, and just goes, and you enter on it, and you wanna enter, and you wanna close it out on the next 18 minutes interval. So this is just one way to use it, but as I said, I don't wanna discredit anyone's work, you know. So in future, maybe if you want, I'll cover more concepts, but I'll just recommend you guys to use what I'm teaching you for now, because these magic minutes that I just showed you, the 90-minute cycle, all of this is just a bonus for you guys. And you don't really need that. You just need what I showed you, the simplified way of trading, the simplified way of looking at liquidity and how liquidity works, right? Just looking for imbalance, liquidity, look out for session open, look out for session manipulation at the start, and you're good to go. There's nothing more. So yeah, so we hit like 4 or 5 stop losses, so our win rate is like 50%, but the and this would hit break even. So 4 wins, yeah. No, this hit break even. Okay, 3 wins and 5 losses and few partials. Okay, that's a pretty good thing. So if you want, we can do another backtesting session in the future. But yeah, that's all there is today. Okay, have a good night, or have a great day. Okay, bye-bye.